Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, today I'm going to be making a box truck. The idea, I just have the idea in mind because, when I was a kid, maybe about age 5, we usually make box truck, so this is why I'm doing this, just to show how creative we were back then. Now, what I have in front of me is some orange juice box. So we are going to be using these boxes to make the body of the truck. We have some bottle covers here, and we're going to be using these we're going to be using these for the wheels. And I have a lot of bottle covers here. What I did was to destroy a pen, and these are going to be using for the axle of the truck, to attach the wheels on. And we have some markers here that I'm going to be using to add design to the truck. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to cut out an area where we're going to put the back wheel of the truck. So what I did was to cut out this area, and then I cut this box. So I'm going to push this part of the box here. Push it down like that. Now I'm going to cut these areas, and I'm going to put in wheels here for the back of the truck. So I have my boxes here, and I'm putting them together to create the body of the truck. Alright, so basically we have finished constructing the body of the box truck. Now we're going to construct the front. Now I've finished this so far, but I'm going to show you the step in terms of what I did to create this. Now what I did was to get another drinks box, and I cut off this part of the drinks box here. Then I use a knife to slice the box from right to here, and I also do this side as well. So this is the top part of the front of the truck. Then I use the knife, cut from to about here, and I do the same thing on this side and cut to about here. You have to ensure that it's even. Now, once I did that, what I did was to crease both areas of the box, and you have to ensure that when you crease the area, they overlap each other. So it's supposed to be something like this. So these are the flaps, but once you fold them, there's supposed to be an overlap. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bore this area. I'm going to put a hole here to attach the body of the truck here. Now this part here, is just a design. Most trucks nowadays, they have a spoiler here, so that was the design here for that. Now I'm going to be using the markers to add this line, just to put the front of the truck there. So that is what I'm going to be using the markers for. So I have black, I have green, and I have red as well. So in this case I'm going to be using the black marker just to put a design on the front of the truck. We have finished the design to the front of the truck, just to put a design on it to show that it's the front of the truck. Now I realized that in terms of where I'm going to put the wheel on the chuck, the front of the chuck is a little bit weak, so I'm just going to reinforce it by just putting a little extra piece of box here. I'm going to be using this stapler to attach it. So let me just mark here. I'm going to mark here. Then I'm going to cut using my scissors to cut. Once I've done that, I'm going to be using my stapler. To attach this onto the front of the truck. Just to reinforce, I'm going to put the wheels. My scissors to trim off the extra edges. Alright, so that's it. Now I'm going to be using the knife to cut the spaces. I'm going to put the wheels at the front, just like what I did with the back of the truck. So I'm going to put some holes where I'm going to put the wheels. Okay viewers, now I've finished attaching the wheels to the body of the truck and the front of the truck. Now what I did was to use bottle covers, and I destroy a pen and use the part that hold the ink to use it for the axle to attach the wheels onto. So the wheels are on. Now the next step is to actually bore a hole here and at the bottom as well, and on the front of the truck, after I overlap this, I'm going to use a sharp object to bore a hole here, so I will be able to attach the body of the truck to the front of the truck. So that is the next step. Okay guys, now the box truck is finished. So just by using orange juice boxes, you can create a truck. This is it. So the only thing left is to actually bore a hole here and put a string there in order to pull it. So that's it. Hope you like it, share it. And for those who, well, especially those parents out there who
want to teach your child or children how to make things, this is one thing that you can teach them.